Hi friends, today I am going to take the review of iPhone 12 Pro Silver. So after a long time, I am taking this review due to some busy schedule and all those things. So just straight away I will jump into the iPhone. So iPhone Pro, this is the box basically, and I have got a silver color. So this side is a color basically. If you say back, it is a white, purely white. I don't know how this iPhone Apple is saying silver, but maybe as for them, this is a silver. The side corners are the colors. So one clarification. So here you will get it 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Max. There are four categories you will get it into basically this phone. That colors will be basically again it is silver, then matte black, then your blue, then comes the gold. So these are the basic colors available in 12, and this phone is comes with 5G network, 6.1 OLED Retina display. This is with the 60 hertz refresh rate. If you see other Android phones, there you will get 90, 120 refresh rate, but this is far better than the other Android phones. Very beautiful screen and smooth screen, fantastic phone. Improved a lot of things over the period of time. Then it comes with A14 processor. Basically, they call U1 software also. 6 GB now it is 6 plus 128 GB, 6 plus 256 GB. ROM and RAM, these are considered. So people are not aware of, earlier all phones were of 3 GB ROM only. Now even 11 up to 11 also they were using 4 maximum I think. Now it is 6 they are using it. So 6 plus you can say 256 GB, 6 plus 512 GB. These are the basic sizes you can capacity you can say, not sizes. So based on storing capacity you can choose the which size you want, but the minimum size starts with 128 GB only. It is a good thing they were not started with 24. I don't know why even that mini phone they have started. Maybe they may stop after some time. So these are the things. Then front and back glass is of ceramic seal. It means very toughened, coated or toughened glass, you can say. Uh, Technical terms, coated, you can say, basically, or whatever terminology is there. It is a hard glass, you can say. When by mistake it phone is dropped, so it does not break. And they have got a warranty for this also 1 year. Anything happens, so they will replace. So it doesn't mean it is scratch proof. So you have to be very careful while putting in your pocket. There should not be any coin, or there should not be any keys, or there should not be any hard material or even soft material also. Scratches may come. So you need to be very careful. So whenever you buy this thing, you need to put screen guard first, very important, then the back cover. Again in back cover also, I'm going to tell you this time they have come up with the MAG magnetic charger and covers. So I am talking about what is that. So they are calling MAG safe magnetic covers. So I have got it two covers. One is transparent, another one is blue. These are MagSafe magnetic covers. So advantage of this is basically only when you are using a wireless charger that of MagSafe. Otherwise, you can use any case, 300, 400, 1000, whatever you like. So especially if you are having extra accessories like I bought it. This is MagSafe charger, magnetic charger, 15 watt. Maximum capacity is only comes with 15 watt because their original adapter is only of 20 watt. So you need to buy when you are buying that magnetic wireless charger. You need to buy MagSafe one. Here that is a ring. It is not a ring inside, but whenever you are charging on that wireless, just you need, if you put it on that charger, automatically it charges. It comes a round ring also. It means it is working. So this is the advantage, and in this charger basically they have got overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, over temperature protection, high temperature, then short circuit protection. So it is very good. So whenever you are in an office or maybe uh, what you call house also, there is not necessary every time you have to put the pin and keep it. Whenever you are put it on the any table, that just you have to keep your phone. But where you have to keep, you should know it is here, the logo. Very without cover, magnet is very powerful also. But after some time it may come scratches, and these designs basically I think these are smaller one. Every time it is not holding on the table. Maybe I don't know. Maybe disadvantage for someone else. This is the thing about the MagSafe magnetic case and magnetic charger. Even MagSafe wallets also are coming. So you need to fix that magnet is there in that wallet, leather wallet. You need to fix. You can keep your credit cards or debit cards or maybe money or wallet. But those are very costly. I don't advise you to buy. Every time when you put it with that one, it uh, falls. It doesn't come. So it is not safe also. If somebody, if you are keeping, anybody can take it. So that is not the point. Maybe that may be the point. But even though when you are keeping with that pouch inside the pocket, that pouch remains there, your phone comes. So these are the problems. Better to buy other accessories. It is a good thing. Then I'm talking about the battery. So lot of improvement in this 12 series battery backup. 12 Pro Max is the one of the best if you compare with Pro and others also. Battery they are telling 21 hours, whereas Pro is 17 hours they are claiming. But you need to compare what is your consumption pattern, whether you are a gamer, you are using gaming, what is your screen time, 5 hours or 8 hours, depending upon that is the battery is to be considered. So when you charge it in the morning, so you go office, if you consider 5 to 7 hours your screen time also, till night, till when you come to the house, it remains 30%. It's more than enough, I think. They have done very good one in the battery management. In Pro Max model, it is even better. Timing is that maybe you'll get 1 or 2 hours more in this uh, charging backup time. And in what is Mac charging? So already I have told you, but future they may do update. Apple may do update. They use it as a for a reverse charging. Already in Huawei P30 and other models, they have got reverse charging. So you can charge in future like AirPods, maybe Apple Watches, or maybe AirTags, their new products. I don't think they will do at a time all the things. But you are charging, they may start with AirTags because they want to sell AirTags. So people will buy AirPods and other things with Apple Watch. So this is a new product. They may start with that, and after 1 year, maybe they may do for your Pro, uh, AirPod and your watches. So they have to do it because very costly phones. So uh, they better to do that. So I am cleared this also. Then I am coming to camera department. 12 mini and 12, you have got only two cameras. Here in Pro and Max you have got three, and sensors are big. Even in Pro Max, sensors are still bigger. So there you have got bigger sensors depending upon their size, and one or two options are good, like zooming more in that when you do telescope telecameras, zooming is more, and battery management is good. So these are two things are there as compared with Pro. But when you are a normal man, so always you have to operate by two hands. You need a practice when you buy a Max. So again, it depends upon your. I don't say कि you buy this or you buy that. Depends upon your usage. It depends upon your these things you can buy. But as far as meat is concerned, it is very handy. You can keep it in your pocket, maybe especially in jean packets. So when you are putting, so it is give a problem. So the bigger one. So or if when you are always on the screen timing is more, you want to media consumption guy, YouTube or maybe gaming. So those Max is always better. So and in this camera model, they have got three camera model. Main is 12 megapixel uh, megapixel is there. So then secondary camera is also 12 megapixel wide angle. Third is telescopic. So cameras are beautiful. I am telling you, these are what you call true pictures, true color pictures. But maybe ladies may hate it because these all Chinese phone and other phones they are overexposed. So if you got a pimples, it does not show it. They do as if you are coming from the makeup room. Those are overexposed in Android phones, so which is not good. Sometimes you need a true color. What color is yours is a true color. So slightly editing is can be done, but I prefer true colors. So it gives beautiful pictures. So and major one is you can video shooting. You can do it on 4K, 30 fps, and as well as 60. I do not require a gimbal. So very good stabilization. When you are taking action photos, it doesn't move anything else, and it is very better, very smooth processor. So I'm loving this phone with new charger and new covers and everything. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I think I clarified all your doubts. If you need anything else, definitely buzz me. So now I am going to tell about the eSIM. I just have converted the eSIM into this 10x Max and other onwards, not in 10x, but other two models in 10 and 11 fully and 12. They've got all basically eSIM. Very handy when you are traveling outside. They better to convert into eSIM. So physical SIM can be removed and you can put another SIM card also. It will be double SIM then. So how to do it? It is no need to go to the stores. Just SIM space and your email ID to Airtel. So they will get the message immediately. Then you have to say one. After that, they will call you within 2 hours. Before that also, once they call you, if you are the same person, then they will send you on the email the QR code that you have to take it photo from that code, then it will be basically can be done. So